Magandang hapon po ng Friday, September 27, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Friday, September 27, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto, 5 p.m. 3D Lotto, 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon na September 27, 2024 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto, 5 p.m. 'See you again later' for 9 p.m. draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto at 2D Lotto for Friday, September 27, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 is 203 million pesos and Mega Lotto 645 jackpot price estimates is 76.5 million pesos for September 27, 2024 Friday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Friday, September 27, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.